Okay guys, to start off this recipe, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use, and then I'm going to chop some of this stuff off camera and then bring you back to assemble it. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to roast these pecans just for a few minutes on the stove so they can bring out that nutty flavor. We have some purple, we have some purple onion, a celery stalk, some cranberries. I have some parsley, some lemon, mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, salt, celery seeds, and some turkey. I'm not going to chop all this turkey, but I'm going to use some. Let me get to chopping and then I'll bring you back so we can assemble this. Okay, now here are the pecans. They're hot, so you have to be careful. Now the pecans, we're just going to give them a rough chop. Doesn't have to be perfect. Here's parsley. I'm going to use fresh parsley. I'm just removing the stems because they are a bit woody, and then I chop it. And then here I have the turkey. The other day I was cleaning out my freezer to make room and rotate my food as it's coming in. And I had a turkey in there, and I said, you know what, it's a small one, let me roast it. So we had it for dinner that night. I like to use it for different things, and this salad is one of them. So I just cut it into little cubes, not too small, not too big. And I do have dark and white meat in here. So this is about 1.5 pounds of turkey, but like I always tell y'all, you accommodate for your families. Okay, here's our turkey. Let me clean up this mess and we'll assemble the salad. I'm going to move on to the dressing part of this, and use whatever salad dressing, mayonnaise you prefer. I'm going to leave the amounts that I use for my salad in the description box below with the recipe. So here I have my mayonnaise, and I have some ranch dip, the powdered one. And what I do is I get about a teaspoon of it, not a whole bunch because it's a little salty, and use that. And then I use some celery seed, and you are going to use a little bit of salt, not too much. Then you adjust it as you go after we put it all together. And then we have some fresh ground pepper. I like a lot of pepper in the turkey salad. Okay, and then we're going to add in our acid apple cider vinegar, and it's about a tablespoon of that. And then we are going to add some lemon juice. Take the seed out first. About 1/2 of a lemon should be enough. Okay, and that's enough. Okay, now we have everything in here, and we're going to give this a whisk. I might have to add some mayonnaise, but I'll wait till the end. I don't want to have it too much mayonnaise. Now I'm going to taste it. It's going to need a little bit of salt. Okay, now we're going to put everything together. Okay, we're going to take our turkey that we have here in just little cubes, just like that. Could be smaller. And the reason I do the dressing on the side is so that I don't break up the chunks too much. I like it a little chunky, not too much, just a little. Okay, we're going to add our celery. We're going to add our cranberries. We're going to add our purple onion. Look at all these colors. Look at that. And we're going to add our pecans. If you don't like pecans, use walnuts. If you don't like nuts, don't put them in at all. Okay, we're going to give this a good mix. Look at that. That looks good already. And then we're going to pour in our dressing. Now, you don't have turkey. Get one of the rotisserie chickens from your local market. Those work wonderful for this salad. Okay, give it a good mix. Might need a little bit more mayonnaise. Nope, I think we got it. And there's that. Now we're going to add our parsley. Give it a mix. See if I need it all. I think that's good right there. Okay guys, I'm gonna plate this up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Look at that. Bring you in for a close-up. Okay, I'm gonna plate this up and show you how I have it, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, here's the salad. This is my version of a turkey salad. Perfect for this time of the year. Beat that heat. And then I just pair it up with some crackers. I even make sandwiches out of this. You know, serve it however you like, whatever your family likes. That's what I do. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I really enjoyed making it for you today. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you're thinking about how the channel's going, guys. I will have the recipe in the description box below, guys, along with anything that I may find for y'all. Go visit us on Facebook and Instagram at Virtual Kitchen with Laura, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button right there. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Talk to y'all later. Bye.